The truck and Jeep experts at 4 Wheel Parts introduce the all-new 4WP Factory Xtreme RT Tires, combining confident on-road manners with extreme off-road performance. More aggressive than an all-terrain, but lighter than a mud terrain, the new 4WP Factory Xtreme RT Tires offer the best of both worlds. Ride comfort on the open road and rugged traction out on the trail. The new Xtreme RT is better on road, providing confidence-inspiring performance with a smooth ride. The Xtreme RT's high-ratio contact area maximizes road contact, providing exceptional grip and stability, even while towing. And it's quieter. The new RT creates 90% less road noise than an MT tire. When it's time to take a detour and go off-road, the new Xtreme RT rolls seamlessly into the toughest terrain. A robust tread design and thick 3-ply sidewall provides maximum protection from off-road hazards. Traverse obstacles easily with offset shoulder blocks that claw uneven terrain. Open shoulder grooves and mud ejectors evacuate debris, dirt, and mud, ensuring extreme traction on the trail. Uncompromising quality, progressive style, and direct-to-you value with load ranges D, E, and F in diameters from 33-inch to 37-inch, all backed with a 50,000-mile factory warranty. The all-new 4WP Factory Xtreme RT Tires. Extreme off-road performance. Exceptional on-road handling. Available now at 4 Wheel Parts stores nationwide and online at 4wp.com/factory.